stop, Baruch.
I'm not gonna get you. Hi guys, Eliza. Interview. What's going on here?
I'm watching Mom cook.
Oh yeah? Mom cook? What is Mom cooking?
I don't know.
Oh, let's turn on the light.
I know what that
It's
is,
always
but
dark.
I know she's gonna cook scrambled eggs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
There we go. Some better lighting now, guys.
She's gonna cook scrambled eggs.
Ooh, what is that, Jess? What are you pounding away?
Mushroom. Tomato.
Oh yeah? Alright. Okay. Romeo, what's going on?
I want my doo-doo.
Whoa. What?
I want my doo-doo. Mommy, my doo-doo.
Alright, guys, look at that.
Ooh, look at that. Nice mixing.
When Jess is off,
She makes
Yes.
food.
makes good breakfast. Woohoo!
That's what it smells.
What?
I thought you were making scrambled eggs. Can I try? Can I try?
Come here.
Yay! Is it good? Is it good?
Stop jumping.
Huh?
Get some a little bit.
So good.
Little bit rice.
I can't eat that.
A little bit rice. And then a little bit salt.
A little bit salt, a little bit rice, a little bit salt.
That looks like cheese and mustard, Dad.
Huh?
That's cheese and mustard.
Oh my god.
It's not cheese and mustard. Looks like it.
Alright, look at Easter Boy. He's a gamer and a cooker at the same time.
Dad, when Mom was making the mixture,
Something on your lip.
something brown.
Come here.
Mom was making.
Yeah, go ahead.
That looks kind of. I think I gotta cook scrambled eggs, Mom.
Omelet scrambled eggs.
Omelet, okay. I never tasted an omelet. Ew.
Yay! So what was in that omelet, Jess? What's in the omelet, I mean? Okay, Liza, interview. What's in the omelet?
That mixture? No,
Huh?
don't mixture, no!
Yeah, well, yeah, what's all that?
Egg and milk.
And? What? You've been watching all this time?
No, at least I pour the milk.
Yeah,
Mushroom,
mushroom, bell pepper, onion, garlic. What else?
What?
Isa.
What?
Tomato.
Oh, my hand!
Yeah? And then what else? That's it? Interview, Jess.
What happened to my hand?
Jess is not properly dressed, so she can't play.
What happened
Be on
to my
camera right now,
hand?
guys.
My hand.
Alright.
Look at all those bubbles.
Alright, guys. It's a little glimpse of when me and Jess and I have the day off together.
Stop.
Jess does all the hard work. Cooking breakfast. And in fact, I'm editing a video right now
Like this one?
of my mom actually cooking breakfast. So what a coincidence.
And this one?
There's a backside of Jess. Hi, Jess.
Hi.
You gotta put your bra on, Jess.
Here?
And here's Mr. Gamer Boy. What are you playing? Interview, Gamer Boy.
I thought you put the cheese on. I couldn't hear you because it's just loud.
We have a bust-up TV, guys. Got that line right there.
It says Romeo.
What happened?
Audrey kept on slapping the TV.
Oh, yeah?
After.
House is a mess, guys. It's embarrassing to put on YouTube. But hey, that's what happens when you have 4 kids. Watch out! Oh, Jess is also making. Jess, you gonna make some bacon? Woo-hoo. Look at that, guys. Yeah, who out there loves bacon?
Hey, look at me.
Huh? Who loves bacon? Raise their hand. Yay! Be careful, you're gonna fall.
Yeah. I'm so loud.
Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo. Who loves bacon? Raise their hand.
You should, if you like bacon, you should stay in the car.
And we haven't, I don't know if I properly introduced our fishy. What's the name of our fishy?
I don't know. It's a fishy.
Huh?
Some of our fishy died. It's an out.
Oh yeah, but
A lot of our fishy died.
yeah, but this is like, how many years old is this one, Jess?
That's old already.
This is old.
Yeah, it's still
It's a sucker fish. Come outside. Show yourself. Show yourself.
It's not scared.
Huh?
Oh, I see some face.
Oh yeah? We haven't even named him yet. Or her. I don't even know if it's a her or he.
Comment down below if you know if it's a her or he.
How do they know?
Oh, Mom.
How do how do we find out, guys? Let us know. How do we find out if it's a boy or a girl?
Female.
It's a boy, Mom. Dad.
Huh? How do you know?
Usually have the color of a
Huh? Okay.